Before editing Attack 02, I'd like to demonstrate a feature. We can receive notifications through the hit unit's events when collisions occur. If the from unit ID is myself, it means my attack hit someone. If the from unit ID is not myself, it means I've been hit by someone else. Now, I want to add some sound effects and visual effects when hitting others, to make the impact more pronounced. Here are basic sound and visual effects players provided. They're easy to use. Just drag the prefab onto the scene and do some settings. Here, I've set up two sets, one for hitting the enemy's body and another for hitting their weapon. Add the sound player and VFX player to the player controller respectively. Add a condition in the event of hitting the target. If the hit target is the body, indicating I hit the enemy's body, then play the first set of sound effects and visual effects. If the hit target is the hit area, indicating I hit the enemy's weapon, then play the second set of sound effects and visual effects. Just one thing to note here. Now, there are two characters on the field, one Antony and one enemy. Both sides will receive the on-hit event, causing the triggering of the same sound effects and visual effects twice. Therefore, we make a small adjustment here. Only the main player executes this piece of code. Back in Unity, set Antony as the main player. Let's test it again. It looks even better. Now, let's explain the tempo. After hitting the target, the character will have a pause time. Freeze time represents how long this pause time will be. After the pause, there will be a cooldown time, during which the hit area will temporarily not collide with any target. Cooldown time represents how long this cooldown period will be. For example, if I set the freeze time to 0.5 seconds and then try the impact, you can feel the pause becomes longer. Alternatively, if I set the cooldown time very short, like 0.01 seconds, the number of collisions will increase. We can continue editing Attack 02. Again, create a new hit area, and remember its name must match the animation name exactly. Drag Attack 02 to target animation and enter edit mode to start editing. Attack 02 can also hit the opponent correctly, which is excellent. This tutorial explained the meaning of tempo and demonstrated collision events. In the next tutorial, we'll do the issue of left-right reversal. See you in the next video.